गीत गाती तेरे दुनिया सारी, जीव जंतु है तेरे पुजारी। है निराकार तू सच्चा करतार, तू है हमारा, तू ही है सबका सहारा। फूल सुंदर है तूने खिलाए, बेल बूटे हैं कैसे सजाए। अंत पाया नहीं तेरा, पाया नहीं पारवारा। तू ही है सबका सहारा। हमारा जीवन पवित्र बनावो, पाप करने से हमको बचावो। शुद्ध हो सबका मन, भक्ति में हो लगन जग सारा। तू ही है सबका सहारा। दीना बंधु है तू, कृपा सिंधु है तू, पालनहारा। तू ही है सबका सहारा। जय भगवान जी। You could hear that, please? Can I ask you? Yes. Okay. Now we're going to do one bhajan, and then we'll open up where Bunty decides who's saying the bhajan. So we're going to say one bhajan. तेरे पूजन को भगवान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तेरे पूजन को भगवान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तू ही मन में, तू ही बन में, तू ही मन में, तू ही बन में, तू ही डाल के हर पातन में। तेरा रूप अनूप महान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तेरे पूजन को भगवान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तेरे पूजन को भगवान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तूने राजा रंक बनाए, तूने भिक्षुक राज बिठाए। तूने राजा रंक बनाए, तूने भिक्षुक राज बिठाए। तेरी लीला अपरंपार बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तेरे पूजन को भगवान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। झूठी जग की झूठी माया, झूठी जग की झूठी माया। मूर्ख तू इसमें क्यों भरमाया, मूर्ख तू इसमें क्यों भरमाया। कुछ जीवन का कर कल्याण बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। तेरे पूजन को भगवान बना मन मंदिर आलीशान। Thank you. So it's open to Bunty and Pooja, whatever they decide who wants to say bhajan. Hello, Bunty.
Yeah, we can hear you, Tayaji.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to play another bhajan. This has been sung by Benu.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भो निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभम गुर प्रसाद जप आदि सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवे जे सोची लखवार चुप चुप न होवे जे लाए रहा अवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सहस्याण पालक होहे ताइक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े कुट्टे पाल हुकुम रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया नाम। पालनहारे निर्गुणो न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। तुम्हें हमका हो संभाले तुम्हें हमरे रखवाले तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। चंदा में तुम्हें तो भरी हो चांदनी सूरज में हो जाना तुम्हीं से। ये गगन है मगन तुम्हीं तो दिए हुए सितारे भगवन ये जीवन तुम्हीं न सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे। ओ पालनहारे निर्गुणो न्यारे
बीजेपी को कांग्रेस बढ़ती
प्रभु जी हमारी है विनती दुख जन को धीरज दो हारे नहीं हो कभी दुख से तुम निर्बल को रक्षा दो रह पाए निर्बल सुख से। भक्ति को शक्ति दो भक्ति को शक्ति दो जग के जो स्वामी हो इतनी तो अर्ज सुनो है पथ में अंधियारे दे दो वरदान में उजियारे। ओ पालनहारे निर्गुणो न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं। तुमरे बिन हमरा कोनो नहीं।
जय राधा
कुंज बिहारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीर बटचारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर मुरली मनोहर करुणा सागर जय गोवर्धन धारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ जय गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
फिर से शुक्रिया करते हैं हम दारुसलामी का। जैसा सुंदर की गर्मी से जलकर हुए तन को मिल जाए तन पर की छाया ऐसा ही सुन के रे मन को सीने किनारा दिखाया, ऐसा ही सुख मेरे मन को मिला, मैं तो कब से शरण तेरी आया मेरे राम। इस राह की मंजिल तेरा मिलन हो, उस पर कदम मैं बढ़ाऊं। जिस राह की मंजिल तेरा मिलन हो, उस पर कदम मैं बढ़ाऊं। फूलों में खारों में पतझड़, बहारों में मैं ना कभी डगमगाऊं, मैं ना कभी डगमगाऊं। पानी के प्यासे को तकदीर ने जैसे पी भर के अमृत पिलाया, ऐसा ही सुख तेरे मन को मिला, मैं तो कब से चरण तेरी आया मेरे राम। तन की गर्मी से जलते हुए तन को मिल जाए तन पर की छाया, ऐसा ही सुख तेरे मन को मिला, मैं तो कब से चरण तेरी आया मेरे राम, मेरे राम, मेरे राम, मेरे राम।
Okay, Tayaji, this is it for the bhajans. If you can, please start with what you had to say.
Can you listen to me?
Hear me.
Hear me? Okay. Well, first, before I say anything, I want to thank all of you, especially the younger generation who has arranged this.
Naam do.
It's very, very nice. Bunty, Pooja, Gitu, and also Rahul and Gitua. Everybody has arranged it, and we are very happy that you guys have done a good job. दूर तक सुबह का आसार नहीं, दूर तक सुबह का आसार नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी उम्मीद है सवेरा होगा। आओ आज इस हंसी खुशी में बिताएं, न जाने कल कहां बसेरा होगा। This is one of the verses from Baoji's collection. He had thousands of verses. Born a century ago in a village. He was the first graduate from that time. And if I were to tell the younger generation, he got his first job for 30 rupees a month. And in that one, he saved money and had good time. He was an icon in himself. He did what he stood for: good health, exercise, good diet, and good deeds. As far as I know, he walked about 4 to 5 miles a day, rain or shine. He used to go to Tughlaqabad, and then he settled down in Greater Class 2, and in the evening they used to get together. He was the president of the association in the evening, and everybody looked at him to get the information what to do. He was very much interested in Urdu poetry, shairi, and he could recite Urdu poetry without looking into the books for hours. The way he recites his poetry is unique. I don't think I have, or anybody have seen who could do in such a sweet manner. And he knew the wording by heart. He was an avid reader of religious books. He also used to have newspaper in the morning. If we don't give him newspaper, he used to get a little upset. We used to get information from him about the politics. And also, being the eldest in the family, all members of family, including the extended family, came to him for advice, including my Mamaji, all my Masarjis, and everyone I knew used to come and say, कि आप बताइए कैसे करना है. He was an example in itself. He was a little bit straightforward. Sometimes you can call it blunt, but he used to say the truth. Some people didn't like what he said, but at the end, they found out that he was right. He also believed in doing his voting right. As far as I know, he voted every time there was an election. And I have an example of that. One of them, on February 8th or 9th, Anil and Amita were not there, and he asked me, I want to go for vote. I said, that's fine, but he asked me, where is my Aadhaar card? And this is the time when he is laying in the bed, and he was somewhat drowsy at times, but he remembered this. So I told him, I don't know where it is, I'm going to find out. I called Anil, and he told me it's somewhere there. I looked around, I couldn't find it, and Babaji got mad with me. He said, you cannot find the Aadhaar card? So he jumped himself out of the bed, which is very surprising, and looked around in his safe and everything, he couldn't find it. So finally, I decided that he had a passport. When I looked at his passport, it was expired. So I told him, why don't you use your old passport? They will let you go. He took his passport and went for voting. I mean, believe it or not, this was 4 months ago, he could vote, and he wanted to vote. So such was his determination. He used to play cards with us. He may be sick, laying in the bed, but you tell him that you want to play flash, he'll get up, sit down with us, and play for hours. Not only that, he will win. And like there was a note here that he was a biggest bluffer. He could, nobody could know how is he bidding. And he was very good player. He also did a lot of work for the colony. I remember when the temple was being built, there were a lot of problems in Greater Kailash. And people came to him to become the treasurer because they wanted him to be treasurer because they knew that he will do the right thing. He was also the secretary and vice president, but he did not want to be president. He was the organizing secretary of All India Pensioners Association. After he retired, he helped a lot of people getting their pensions. He used to go with them to the offices and plead for them. He also got a award from Delhi government
Hello,
for his
Kuhu.
work.
Kuhu, I'm on a Zoom meeting right now. I'll talk to you
For
later.
his work. Now, we will be missing him, and he will be missed for generations. My brother Anil and Amita, they did a lot of work, a lot of help to him. They took care of him. I really feel blessed that they were there to help him. Without them, I don't think he would have lived that long. Now, I personally have one feeling which I'm going to tell you. After he is gone, there is nobody to say me beta. Now I have become an older person. Before that, I was a son. I'm very grateful that he was with us for that long. And we learned a lot from him. And we learned by examples. We had a long association with him. May God bless him, bless his soul. And wherever he is with us. And I thank all of you being there. And God bless him and bless all of you. Thank you. Now, Taiji would like to say a few words.
Namaste, everybody. It is a sad day, but we are lucky that we enjoyed so much time with our Boji. Boji was the pillar of the family, and we all depended on good advice from him. And I've been with the family for nearly half a century, and we enjoyed some good times together. He was really like my father. He gave me good advice, and he always said the right things. I remember the samosa and the jalebi parties with him. And he was honest, jovial, and a very patriarchal man. And he was also very happy. I've never seen him grumbling or complaining, to me at least. He had been sick for last couple of months, and he was in and out of being conscious. So we couldn't really talk to him over the phone very much, and I was not able to recognize. So about 4 or 5 weeks ago, I remember, I said, Boji, do you remember me? He said, yes, of course, you are Bhavna. So I said, okay, Boji. I asked about his well-being and everything. And then I said, Boji, how about a share? Now that was 4 weeks ago. And he did recite a share for us. And this is the share he said to me, and probably this was the last share. And that's the reason I would like to recite it for you. Nazar uthi to dua ban gayi. Nazar jhuki to haya ban gayi. Nazar tirchi hui to ada ban gayi. Nazar phir gayi to qaza ban gayi. He will be greatly missed by all of us. We remember him a lot and hope his soul rests in peace. And he was loved by all his family, his grandchildren, and everybody around. Our community in Toledo also remembers him. So, you know, it is a big feat. So thank you. Hope his soul rests in peace. Thank you.
Is there anyone else who'd like to speak?
Hey, this is Pankaj, and my dad and I saw Boji last year in India, and it was a wonderful just to see him, in person. Bunji and I took him to get his haircut, and it was a challenge to get him to get a haircut, but he agreed to us to get a haircut, so that was
my dad will
that
be
was
speaking
good.
a couple
But
of words.
just to see Boji, we all miss him. He was a great man, and his legacy will live on. So we love him.
So my dad will be saying a couple of words in few minutes. We're just trying to connect. Anybody who wishes to talk, please go ahead.
Geetu, we can see you now and your dad.
Tayaji wants to say something. I mean, Sagar uncle wants to say something. No. No, you have to unmute. No, Sagar, you have to unmute.
I can speak?
Yes, please go ahead.
The smiling face of Bauji has gone for the morning walk on the Somati Amavasya day, leaving behind a rich harvest of memory. Life is a problem for those who manipulate, but for Bauji, life is a festival and he celebrated it with joy. For Bauji, the richest wealth is wisdom. The strongest weapon of life is patience. The greatest tonic is laughter. Happiness is a special type of mathematics. It multiplies when we divide it. He was the source of strength that my children should do much better than me, so that humanity continue to grow and life become better. Achievement is in life. Life is the smile face on the their best for him. Both have sleepless night. Thank you very much.
Can you hear me? My name is Ashish from Ranchi.
We can hear you.
मैं भी कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ अपने मास्टर जी के बारे
में। बोलो जी।
हाँ जी, मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है कि जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने कहा कि वो आप सभी परिवार वालों के लिए एक पिलर की तरह थे, यही सोच हमारे परिवार में भी है। मेरी मम्मी जो बहुत छोटी थी, जब भी हम लोग जैसे नानी घर के लिए कहते थे, तो हम कहते थे कि हम अपने नानी घर जा रहे हैं। इसका मतलब था ग्रेटर कैलाश। वहां पर मासी जी भी हमारा इंतजार करते थे और मासड़ जी भी। और उनकी यादें, जिस तरह से हम गर्मियों की छुट्टी में जाते थे, किस तरह से वो हमें प्यार करते थे और उन सारे बच्चे परिवार वालों को मतलब हमें बिल्कुल अपने ग्रैंडसन की तरह रखते थे और इतना प्यार करते थे। आज वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, लेकिन उनका प्यार, जिस तरह से उनके संस्कार उनके पूरे परिवार में बटे हुए हैं, वो कभी भी भूला नहीं जा सकता है। खासकर राज भैया, अनिल भैया, भाभी, ये जितने भी हैं ये हमें वैसे ही प्यार करते हैं जिस तरह से बाबूजी किया करते थे। मैं चाहता हूं कि ऐसी पवित्र आत्मा ईश्वर उनको अपना स्थान दे और आप लोगों का परिवार हम लोगों के सारे पूरे परिवार को आशीर्वाद देता रहे और आप लोग हमेशा हम लोग के साथ जुड़े रहे। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।
आशीष से थैंक यू। और
मैं अनिल, उनका youngest of the children with probably the longest association with Babaji. So I thought I have something unique because being the youngest and also had the longest association. It is a great disadvantage to speak after Virji because most of the things, whatever you wanted to say, has already been spoken. So I don't know what to speak now. But whatever little I could get while staying with Babaji, the association was about 62, 63 years. Couple of things I want to tell, which probably nobody else would do, because I was here all the time with him. I wanted to discuss some health fundas about him. His health at 99.8 years or about 100 years was so good that he never required us. He didn't take a single tablet, single capsule until about 99 years. This is a great feat. When his whole family is of doctors, both the sons are doctors, daughter-in-law is a doctor, but he never required us. So I found what is the health funda for him. I could figure out 4 things for him. The first was food. The second was the exercise. The third was sleep. And the fourth was carefree attitude. The food, of course, he used to love. And out of food, the fruits was the main thing. He always used to take 6 or 7 fruits a day. And exercise, as my brother Virji told, that he used to go for a long walk. Sometimes when I used to wake up, I could see he coming back from the walk on a 3-wheeler. I thought you had gone for a walk. He used to say, "नहीं, मैं तो बहुत आगे चला गया था, पर वापस तो 3-wheeler पे आना पड़ता था." That was the amount of walk he used to go, and always used to come back sometime on a 3-wheeler. After retirement, I think he had a very good social life. He was attached to the various organizations and provided a lot of help to others, to needy also, but we always used to say, don't mention it. Just do good and forget it. He always used to recite one small poetry, which I would say, वो कहते थे, कहते जो फिरोगे तो इनायत ना करो, कहते जो फिरोगे तो इनायत ना करो, चर्चा जो करोगे तो सिखावत ना करो, अंजाम पे नजरें हैं तो बेहतर है यही, तुम जुर्रत आगाज़ मोहब्बत ना करो. This was the way he used to tell, कि तुमने कुछ बोलना नहीं, you do it and forget about it. I remember later on when I got my green card and I also qualified for the exam for US. So I once told him casually that I want to go and settle in USA. He said, go, I'll have a maid and stay here. I could sense that there is a disconnect between the tone and the content. That was one of the major factors I stayed back. Then years later, when he was actually started getting old, I used to sit by him, besides him, and he always used to say, "Bete seva jo karni hai na, wo tan man dhan se hoti hai." And then he used to say, "Mark my words, tan and man are important. Dhan can be bought, tan and man cannot." So it stuck on my mind. I said, "Okay, I'll do my seva with my own hands." I did that, and I feel satisfied and happy at the end that even till the end, I could do all these things without having any attendance. But yes, I think in the later part of his life, like last couple of nights, especially the last night, he was very unwell. He was suffering, and I was there beside him. I did my best, give the injections, whatever, but he was really suffering. And I thought, मैं कितना frustrated हूँ, कितना anger हूँ मेरे पास, कितना मजबूर था मैं उस time, as a son, as a doctor. तो मेरे को छोटी सी पंक्ति याद आ गई. तो वो कहते हैं, ऐ खुदा तेरा हमें हर फैसला मंजूर है, ऐ खुदा तेरा हमें हर फैसला मंजूर है, सामने तेरा बंदा बहुत मजबूर है. I think his physical form has left, but he's still with us. I thank everyone for being with us at this hour. I thank everyone, and I'm sure his blessings are with us. Thank you.
Vikram Chacha, would you like to say a few words after this?
बात करनी मुझे मुश्किल कभी ऐसी ना थी। बात करनी मुझे मुश्किल कभी ऐसी ना थी, जैसे अब है तेरी महफिल बाऊजी कभी ऐसी ना थी। बात करनी मुझे मुश्किल कभी ऐसी ना थी, जैसे अब है तेरी महफिल बाऊजी कभी ऐसी ना थी। यही है जिंदगी अपनी, यही है बंदगी अपनी, यही है जिंदगी अपनी, यही है बंदगी अपनी। बाऊजी का नाम आया, गर्दन ऊंची हो गई। बाऊजी a wholesome personality, a magnetic personality, a charming personality, life embracing, beacon of strength, handsome par excellent, lived life king size. बाऊजी के जाने से एक युग खत्म हो गया। मुझे बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है। मैं बड़ा खुशनसीब हूं कि मैंने उस परिवार में जन्म लिया जहां हमारे दादाजी यानी पिताजी श्री उशनाथ राय भाटिया जी, हमारे पापा जी श्री ओम प्रकाश जी भाटिया जी और बाऊजी रहनुमा थे। Every visit to Greater Kailash was a celebration in all respects with the presence of Baouji. We all will miss you, Baouji, and cherish each and every moment we spent with you. So today, when we all are together in paying our tributes and to pray for his soul, we are also here to celebrate his life in mourning. याद रखने के लिए बाऊजी आपकी कोई चीज चाहिए। याद रखने के लिए बाऊजी आपकी कोई चीज चाहिए। आप नहीं तो आपकी तस्वीर चाहिए। याद रखने के लिए बाऊजी आपकी कोई चीज चाहिए। आप नहीं तो आपकी तस्वीर चाहिए, पर आपकी तस्वीर हमारा दिल बहला ना सकेगी, क्योंकि वो आपकी तरह मुस्कुरा ना सके। बाऊजी एक बड़ा बार बार हमें शेर सुनाया करते थे, दो लाइनें सुनाया करते थे। हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दिदावर पैदा। We pray to Almighty that his soul rest in peace. May God bless. Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
Thank you, Chachaji. Shivain, would you like to say something? Ramesh Maharaji, would you like to say something? Is he there?
There's so much I want to say. There's so much to say. But I'll just say that we started as tenants, became friends, and then family through 3 generations. He was a father figure to all of us. Always a smile and some poetry if you were lucky. And a father figure to all of us. I'll always miss him. I thought he was immortal, and I think he'll be immortal in our thoughts. Shanti.
Thank you. That was the last of our scheduled tributes. अगर आप लोगों में से कोई बोलना चाहता है तो प्लीज
Bunty, Sagar uncle wants to say something.
Sure.
Rahul's sister.
Okay, Sagar इधर आ जाओ. एक मिनट मैं आ रहा हूँ, बाद में बताता हूँ. Unmute करना उसको.
Bunty, my father wants to say something.
Sure. After this, we'll.
And they are not able to connect due to connection problem, so they are with me on WhatsApp.
Okay, Sagar uncle.
Hi, Bunty.
Listen to that.
We are going to miss Babuji.
Almighty that may Babuji's soul rest in peace. He was a great person, and he will be remembered always for that, for the great deeds he has done, and for the greatness he owed. So, my father wants to say something. पापा जी, आप बोल लो. They are with me on WhatsApp, my parents, and my father wants to say something as a tribute to Babuji.
We are listening. Please go ahead.
शांति प्रदान करें, अपने श्री चरणों में स्थान दे और इस परिवार को प्रदान करें. यही प्रार्थना. शांति शांति शांति.
अगर फोन से आवाज नहीं पहुंच पाई है तो मैं बता दूं, मेरे पापा कह रहे हैं कि उनकी पुण्य आत्मा को, बाबूजी की पुण्य आत्मा को भगवान शांति प्रदान करें. ओम शांति, ओम शांति, ओम शांति.
बेटा, कैन यू हियर मी? दिस इज विवेक भाटिया. मेरे फूफा जी थे किशोरी लाल जी. कैन यू हियर मी? कैन यू रिस्पॉन्ड?
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello?
We can hear you.
Oh, thank you so much, beta. Can you spotlight Rajveer ji's photo?
I'm here.
Can you spotlight him?
I'm here.
Your Taji's picture. जी नमस्कार जी, और सारे परिवार को, भाटिया परिवार, मौजी परिवार की ओर से ऐसे समय में, ऐसे वक्त में आदरणीय राज भैया जी, डॉक्टर अनिल जी और हम सारे के सारे परिवार की ओर से जो आपके साथ जो दुनियावी सामाजिक रिश्ता था, उससे कहीं ज्यादा राज भैया जब भी आप इंडिया में आते रहे हैं, एक ऐसी मतलब दिल की गहराइयों के साथ आपसे बात होती रही है. वो आज भी छोटी छोटी हमारी मुलाकातें मुझे याद हैं. और फुफर जी के बारे में तो मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि किसी शायर ने एक बात कही है कि उसके कद का किसी को अंदाजा ना हुआ, उसके कद का किसी को अंदाजा ना हुआ, वो आसमान था मगर सर झुकाए बैठा था. कमाल की उसकी क्वालिटी थी फुफर जी की, और इतना कुछ हम उनके बारे में सुना है. तो मेरा मन ये चाह रहा है कि आज मैं एक शब्द आपको कहूँ. हमारे एक बड़े ही डिवोशनल सिंगर ने, राइटर ने एक गीत लिखा है, भजन लिखा है, जिसकी लाइनें ऐसी हैं कि कच दी मंडी च सच दा गाहक कोई कोई, दुनिया च होंदा रब दा आशिक कोई कोई. अब उन्होंने अगली जो पंक्तियां कही हैं ना, वो बाबूजी पर पूरी फिट बैठती हैं. कहते हैं, उंज ते बंदे दी मौत ते पैंदा है स्यापा, पांदा है मरण वेले मुबारक कोई कोई. तो बाबूजी की जिंदगी कमाल की मुबारक थी, एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड कि ऐसे परिवार के साथ हम कनेक्टेड हैं। बस यही दुआ है, यही प्रार्थना है कि जो उनके गुण थे, जो उनकी क्वालिटीज थी, और एक शब्द बार बार आता है कर्तव्य परायणता, उन्होंने इतनी उम्र के बड़े तक होने के बावजूद भी अपनी जिंदगी में जो फर्जों की अदायगी की है, ये ट्रेमेंडस है, मार्वलस है। तो मैं बहुत गर्व महसूस करता हूं कि इस परिवार के साथ हम जुड़े हुए हैं, बड़े भैया जुड़े हैं, मौजी परिवार सारा जुड़ा हुआ है। तो थैंक यू सो मच, और यही दुआ करते हैं कि हम सब भी, हमारी श्रद्धांजलि उनके प्रति यही होगी कि हम उनके गुणों को अपने जीवन में इम्बाइब कर पाए। थैंक यू भैया, और सारे परिवार को मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। बोलो यार, बोलो, तुम बोलना चाहता हूँ।
You can go ahead.
हाँ जी, this is Sagar Mehta, Bauji's son-in-law, and can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is Sagar from state, and we all love Bauji, and we are going to miss him forever. All the credit goes to Pappu and Meeta there. They did take care of Bauji for a long time, and God bless them, both of them, and we all pray for him. And thank you very much for everybody joining the Zoom there. Thank you.
Thank you, Sagar uncle.
Thank you, Beta.
Let's see, Mrs. Achla Mahendru ji ka haath has raised her hand. Ma'am, if you want to go next.
Yeah, so can I speak?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So my name is Ashok Mahendru. I am not directly from the family. I live in Greater Class for the last 30-35 years, and have been associated with Anil and Amita, and of course with Gitika and her brother. All I want to say is that this has been a wonderful opportunity to be a part of this ceremony to mark the 100 years of Bauji, and it's been handled so beautifully that I'm delighted. And thank you all, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Mintu Bhatia ji, if you can go next, please. Mintu ji, can you hear us? You had raised your hand.
मैं अंकल जी को भूल नहीं सकता हूँ, उनकी यादें हमारे साथ इतनी जुड़ी हुई हैं। बचपन में हम लोग जब भी जाते थे यहाँ पे, जैसे मेरे छोटे भाई ने बताया, जब हम लोगों को लगता था कि वो नानी के यहाँ जा रहे, और आंटी और अंकल इतना प्यार करते थे हमें। एक बार वे रांची आए पहली बार, उन्होंने आते थे हमारे घर पे देखा, बोला क्या वो न्यूज पेपर नहीं मंगाते? हम लोग जानते नहीं तो सर उन्होंने जिद किया अपने पापा जी को, क्या आप इनको बचपन से पढ़ाइए, वैसा कीजिए। और आज हम लोग डिसिप्लिन में जो भी है, वे सब उन्हीं के आशीर्वाद। बहुत अच्छा लगता था बचपन में, जब भी मैं जाता था वहाँ पे ग्रेटर कैलाश, तो वहाँ पे लगता था कि अपने घर से नानी के घर में आए। वहाँ मेरे 3 बजे एक आइसक्रीम आ जाती थी कि हम लोग आइसक्रीम मिलती थी। साइकिल चलाना मैंने वहाँ से सीखा, इतना प्यार मिला, इतना प्यार मिला। राजवीर जी के स्कूटर में हम लोग बैठते थे, उषा दीदी, मीरा दीदी, खुशी दीदी, बहुत प्यार किया उन्होंने, मैं भूल नहीं सकता। आज मैं याद आ रहा है मेरे को, तो मेरे को रोना आ रहा है कि क्या दिन हम लोग के पास, हम उनके पास ज्यादा नहीं जुड़े, लेकिन इतनी याद आ रही है कि मैं भूल नहीं पा रहा। बहुत लगता है कि मैं अपने पापा जी के बाद मेरे को बहुत दुख लगा है कि आज मैं उनको भी खो दिया हूँ। भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे, मेरे भाइयों को अच्छी उम्र दे, अच्छा रखे कि वो हम लोग सब जुड़ के रहे, उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले, परमात्मा से ही प्रार्थना है।
Thank you. Ramesh Bhatia ji, you want to go next? You need to unmute yourself.
Okay, sorry. बंटी वो मेरे लिए रिलेशन में जरूर फादर इन लॉ थे, बट ही वाज मोर देन अ फादर टू मी. मेरी एसोसिएशन उनके साथ बहुत ही अच्छी रही. मैं बहुत खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि लॉकडाउन के दौरान भी मैं 2 बार जाके उनसे मिला, उनके पैरों को हाथ लगाया, उनसे आशीर्वाद लिया. बाबूजी की जिंदगी से हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को है. उनके डिसिप्लिनरी लाइफ, उनका वे ऑफ स्पेंडिंग द लाइफ, उनका आशीर्वाद हमारे पूरे परिवार पर हमेशा रहेगा. अनिल और अमिता पर जिन्होंने इतनी ज्यादा सेवा की है, उनकी हमेशा उनका आशीर्वाद रहे. हमारे पूरा परिवार खुशीपूर्वक जीत लेती है. मे हिज सोल रेस्ट इन पीस. ओम शांति.
Thank you. I don't see any more hand raises. So if anybody has anything to say, please by all means go ahead. Ajay Aneja ji, I see your hand raised. Please go ahead.
Hear me? I'm audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, yes.
You know, I have been associated to this family. I think when probably I was just 15 years and now I'm an old man, senior person. So all this time, I was a great friend of Anil Bhatia. We studied together. And while we were almost together every time, Uncle's blessing was with us. He was such a nice person. Whenever we used to visit his home, he was only something to give. You know, once what happened, I will not take much time because we are at a closing venture. He was going early around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, probably I reached his home in the morning. And I said, Uncle, what is this? It's raining outside. You're trying to go out. So he left one very good, teaching for me and for many of us. He said, oh yaar, बारिश ने तो अपना काम करना है, मैं अपना काम करना है. So I was so amazed. What a great teaching we have, that he never used to bother for anything, but yes, he used to go by his system. You know, it is very that just I'm trying to mention one or two things what he used to give us. When I lost my father, and I was very sad, but yes, this family was a great console to me and to my family. We visited him, and upon my visit, he said, Ajay beta, don't try to get upset. जेड़े चलते फिरते चले जान ना, तो सब तो अच्छे होंगे हैं. Don't worry, it is all God's arrangement. And you know, when he was sick and he was in bed, I used to tell Anil, yaar dekho, uncle used to praise this, and I also pray God that he doesn't suffer at all. At the earliest, God is there to give him the full support to live the word peacefully. We all, from my family and from my Aneja family, and we pray that his soul rest in peace, and every one of us, we get strength to bear his absence and keep his teachings with us. Thank you so much. It was very nice gathering. I could hear Virji, I could hear Anil, and everyone. Everyone spoke so good of him. God bless him, and thank you so much from my end. Thank you, Bunty.
Thank you. Okay. We are almost towards the end of it, but we have a lot of people who are still here. If anybody is eager to speak, please by all means.
Bunty, I just want to say one more share for him. That's the last one I want to say. चमन से फूलों ने खुशबू का फरमान भेजा है. चमन से फूलों ने खुशबू का फरमान भेजा है. गगन से सितारों ने ये ऐलान भेजा है. गगन से सितारों ने ये अरमान भेजा है. तुम जहां भी हो, हमारे पास हो. तहे दिल से हमने ये पैगाम भेजा है. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Anybody in the grandkids, if you guys want to say anything?
मेरा नाम अश्विनी कपूर है.
मैं मिस्टर संजय राणा GK2 वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन की तरफ से उनके साथ बैठा हुआ हूँ और यूनिवर्सल बाबूजी के बारे में इतनी बातें सुन के यहाँ पर 1 घंटे में इतनी इंस्पिरेशन मिली है जिसको कि बयान करना मुश्किल है। He lived like king size। ऐसे शख्सियत के लिए मैं तो एक ही बात 2 लाइनें कह के अपनी श्रद्धांजलि या खुशी बताना चाहता हूँ। कुछ इस तरह निभाओ जिंदगी में किरदार अपना कि पर्दा गिरने के बाद भी तालियां बजती रहें। और ये तालियां बाबूजी के लिए कितनी देर तक बजेंगी ये हमको अंदाजा उनकी बातों से सुन के लगता है। Thank you very much. God bless the family. May the noble soul find peace wherever he is there. Thank you very much.
मैं एक ऐड करना चाहूंगा, सोशल सर्विसनेस फैमिली में है। अभी कोरोना पीरियड में हम एक टीम बना रहे थे डॉक्टर्स की, जिसमें हमें कॉलोनी के लोगों के रेजिडेंट्स के लिए डॉक्टर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट थी और डॉक्टर अनिल भाटिया ने 1 मिनट में वॉलंटियर किया कि मैं सेवा करूंगा। और ये उन्हीं के फादर की वो है उनकी जो, उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने कितने रेजिडेंट्स को हमारे बेनिफिट पहुंचाया इस कोरोना टाइम में। तो वी आर थैंकफुल टू द फैमिली एंड दैट्स ऑल आई वांट। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Okay, I think if that concludes the ceremony, I can finally say this on behalf of, I believe, everybody over here and everybody who has been in contact with Babaji, that Babaji mare nahi hai. Babaji jaise log mara nahi karte. His legend is going to live through all of us and for generations to come. The wealth of the knowledge that he has given us, one lifetime is not enough to just talk about it. We still need several lifetimes to just go through each and every teaching that he has given us. So we'll keep trying, we'll keep pushing, and Babaji, rest in peace. Thank you so much. Do you want to say something?
थैंक यू एवरीवन। मैं अपनी तरफ से और पूरे भाटिया परिवार की तरफ से सबको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आप सब लोग आए, हमसे जुड़े, हमारे इस मुश्किल वक्त में हमारा साथ दिया और बाबूजी को अपनी श्रद्धांजलि दी। मैं सबका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं और कोशिश यही करते हैं कि मे बी हिज ब्लेसिंग्स आर विद अस ऑलवेज एंड वी फॉलो द सेम पाथ व्हिच ही हैज शोन अस। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओम शांति।
Thank you very much for everybody. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Dev Shanti
Antarishavam
Shanti Prithvi Shirapa Shanti Ottadaya
Shanti Vanaspadaaya Shanti Vishvedeva
Shanti
Shanti
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. We will continue everybody now. Thank you.
Wrong the body.
शाम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी। तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे, बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे। इस जग के सारे काम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता। तू ही सुबह, तू ही शाम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। जग में साचो तेरो नाम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू ही माता, तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता, तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता, तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता, तू ही पिता है। तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी। तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही संवारे। इस जग के सारे काम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम। तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विश्व विधाता तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता तू ही सुबह तू ही शाम तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा में साचा तेरो नाम तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा माता तू ही पिता है तू ही 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 राधा का श्याम तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम तेरा मेरा तेरा मेरा
It's not me, somebody else is playing. Pooja is playing.
Mom, you're on mute.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Thanks a lot, Bunty, Pooja, Gitu, for arranging all this. It was a very good effort, and I really thank you. Thank you for doing perfect job.
Thank you.
Nobody there.
There are fewer people here, but if anybody wants to say anything, they should feel free.
Please send the Hello, please send the recordings. Thank you.
All of you, and including all the extended family, They did an excellent job. Thank you very much. Thank you.
धनंकार जी प्लीज रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दीजिएगा। राजवीर जी, भाभी, अनिल भैया, सबको मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं अंकल को।